All right, guys. So, in our last video, we talked about the easiest way to earn during Christmas period now. So, now I'm putting all these into actions, and I want you guys to also flow with me. You understand? Now, for the next 7 days, I'm challenging you guys to go ahead and build a micro income stream that can actually bring you at least $500 before New Year. No fancy cameras, no paid ad, just your smartphone, your data, then the comfort of your zone. Then plus some free apps, then you can also go ahead and focus. Are you ready, guys? Now let us dive in. Now, day one, day one challenge, I want you to pick your play. First of all, choose one lane and don't try all the threes. Just pick one that is based on your strength. Everybody's strength differs. My strength and capacity differs from your own. What I can actually do, you might not be able to do it. So you need to pick one and base pick one that is based on your strength and capacity. Then go ahead and be creative. How can you be creative? You can choose some digital products that you can actually create and sell. Then when it comes to social media, we have some affiliate gift guide. Then your service minded, a freelancing gig. Now ask yourself this question. What can I actually deliver fast that helps someone to enjoy this festive period easy without any stress? You know why? Because people don't just buy products. No, some people don't buy products at all. In fact, some of them doesn't even care at all. But what do? They buy convenience and relief. Yes. So I'm going to give you guys a take-home assignment. Sorry to use that word, a take-home assignment. Yes. Now, you need to write down a 3 holiday problem that you can actually solve. For example, too many gifts can track spending and make Christmas budget planner. Then you need last minute present and the gift guide for your teens or small business need holiday ads and freelance graphics. These are the 3 assignments that I'm going to give you. So go ahead and solve the puzzle. Then come back, go to the comment section and tell us what was the outcome or what is the outcome, right? Then day 2 challenge. You need to build fast. So if you have chosen a digital product, fantastic. What should you do? Open a Canva, search for Christmas template, then go ahead and pick a planner or menu design. You understand? When you pick any of these templates, go ahead and change the colors. Every template has its colors. If you are not comfortable with the color that you see, you can go ahead and change it to your brand color or to your taste. Then go ahead and add your name in the corner. Then, after that, download it as a PDF. Then go ahead and upload it to ST or Gumroad. That's just it. Do you understand? So if you have chosen an affiliate guide, go ahead and create a free Canva flyer titled 10 Christmas Gifts for under $25. Then go ahead and grab Amazon affiliate links and paste it in the description of a short YouTube video or a Pinterest pin. But then, if you have chosen freelance gig, fine and fantastic. Go to Fiverr or Upwork. Then create a listing. I'm going to design a 5 festive Instagram post in 24 hours. Yes. Then go ahead and use to make examples. Then go ahead and post it immediately. That is just it. Now go day 2. You need to have something live on the internet by midnight. You can choose to go live video. Yes, a lot of us underestimate the power of live shows, but trust me, live shows have this way of, making us to be visible. You know why? Because you're having a one-on-one interaction with your audience. And trust me, you are building that trust. When people sees your face all the time, they have this sense of belonging that, oh, this is not a ghost. Okay, this is not a faceless, channel or app or all of that. I'm seeing this person face to face. So you see, you need to go live. Have something on your live show. Talk to your audience, talk to people. Then day three challenge, day three and day four is what I call the traffic blaze. Now, feed, we need to feed your baby business with eyeballs. How can you do this? Go to Facebook group, scamper it, then go and look for a group that has to do with your niche. You understand? Then go ahead and post your product or guide in holiday planning communities. Or you can choose to go ahead and use Pinterest in order to, upload your videos. Now, upload your digital product pin with keywords like Christmas planner printable. Or if you want to use TikTok or YouTube Shorts, go ahead and film your 10 seconds videos. Made this Christmas planner on Canva. Then a link in the bio. This is a title that you can actually give it. Then you can go ahead and DM previous clients if you choose to go into freelancer. Then offer a limited holiday discount for them. This actually work is a treat, like is a trick that you can actually use to get your people. Do you understand? Then after that, you need to post 3 times a day for 2 consecutive days. You know why? Because this is a micro goal. And this can actually help you to get your first click or first message. That is momentum starting. Now, day five challenge, which is the conversation upgrade. Trust me, traffic is nothing without trust. Today, you need to add your proof. Show a mock-up or a demo video. Add one customer testimonial, even from a friend who tested it. Then write a one-line story caption. Maybe I made this while trying to budget my own Christmas chaos. It sounds funny, right? But that's the truth of the matter. So, one thing you need to know about this strategy is that stories sell faster than discount. Yes. So, that is just it. Now, day six challenge is the bundle booster. You need to multiply your income without extra work. Bundle your product or services with something very small and light. Do you understand? For example, planner plus bonus plus January reset sheet, or gift guide plus a PDF, checklist for holidays, delivery dates, or freelance design plus free resize for New Year posts. Now, bundle is equal to high perceived value, which is also equal to what? High sell price. That is it, as simple as it is. Now, day seven challenge, which is your automate and celebrate, guys. At this point, you have built and promoted. Now you need to automate. Go ahead and schedule your social media posts with later or buffer. Do you understand? Then add auto response email. Thanks for ordering. Expect delivery within 24 hours. You need to track your sales daily, but don't be obsessed. Do you understand? Congratulations, guys. You have just created an income stream from thin air. Even if it is just uh, um, $80 or $500, that is a proof of concept. So now you can scale your next 10,000 Christmas holiday budget. Do you understand? That is just it. So, guys, you don't need luck. All you need is a plan. You took a holiday that usually costs you money and turn it into a mini business. But then this can actually keep this momentum alive. So you need to rename your stores for Valentine's Day, for Mother's Day, back to school. The internet, trust me, rewards consistency and creativity. So if this video helped you, don't forget to hit your like button. Yes, and also, go ahead and go to the comment section and type Christmas challenge activated in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our content. Because in episode 3 of this video, guys, I'm going to review how to turn your Christmas buyers into your round year income. Until then, see you guys in my next video, and Merry Profit Mass to you all. Bye.